Hi, Mrs. Walters kids. I'm Mrs. Ford, and we met a little bit, but I wanted to give you the rundown of the way I set up a class. Mrs. Walters set up all last week, but for the next couple of weeks, you'll be seeing my work in there. So I wanted to go over a few differences from the way Miss Walters sets things up to the way I set things up. So the first thing, when you log in, usually there'll be a big picture, and that'll be where you click. This is for Monday. So this is the way I set it up. Mrs. Walters sets up her things into smaller folders. Mine's all in one big folder. So as you go through and you click on all of these things, you are going to get a green check mark when you complete it. So once you have all of your activities green, you've got that green check mark, you're done for the day. It makes it a little bit easier for me to take attendance, but in general, it's just a little bit just the way I like to do it. Okay, so everything's going to be in one big folder. Number 2, I've got some things that I do differently than Mrs. Walters. So you're going to go through and click through. So morning meeting is all here. You're going to click and look at all those things. You're going to watch the video and you'll get your green check mark. This is we call it the words we love, and it's words that we're working on, like central message, but it can also be a word that you find in a book that you had to look up. You can add to this. So if you find a word that you're not really sure about, maybe like solution, you write the word, find the definition, ask mom, ask dad, and then you can put in an image that will help other kids know that word. So you can kind of have a little bit of control under words we love. Just check it every day. Sometimes I add new words and sometimes I don't. A lot of the times it's just words that we're going over, like central message. So when we go back into my day, so these are all just videos. You're going to click. Here's the read aloud. Here is writing. You're going to read for 30 minutes. Now, I want you to click into here, and you're going to make a submission. So over here, you should have a button that says submit a document. You're going to write up the titles and how long you read them, and then make it as a submission for me. So they're all in one place. It's the same thing. You still have to get 2 steps during school and 2 steps after school. This is calendar time. Now, calendar time is probably a little bit different than the way Mrs. Walters sets it up. So every day you'll log in. It'll look very much like this. We've got some great stuff going on the next couple of weeks, so I've got all of those on here and reflected. So all of these weeks, we're not in school. Yay! So from the 20th on, we don't have school, so I've kind of blocked that out. Now, right here on the 14th, we've got Ugly Sweater Day, and you can wear your ugly sweater that day. We've got Grinch Day on the 15th, and we're all going to get together on a Zoom and watch the Grinch all together. The 16th is my birthday. Can you believe that? And it's also Pajama Day, so wear your pajamas all day long. The 17th is a gingerbread day, and we'll read gingerbread books and talk about what gingerbread is. And the 18th is Rudolph or Red and Green Day, so just wear your favorite Christmas shirt that day. Now, let me show you how I set this up. The first thing you need to do is go over the months of the year and the days of the week. Say them out loud. I've got a song that I sing. You can sing the song every single day. So I'll sing those for you now. We'll start with the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. And I want you to either sing them or say them every single day. And here's our Days of the Week song. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Good. Then you're going to say, today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. And that's all you're going to do, other than you see these 2 guys right here. You're going to mark today's date in a pattern. So I've got Christmas tree Santa going. So I'm going to go through and put for Saturday and Sunday, and then today is a Christmas tree. So you're going to mark that. Today is the 59th day of school. So you're going to circle the 59. You're going to move this one time every single day. So tomorrow will be 60, so you'll move it to 60. Then you will move on. So you can count to 59. That's a really good idea. Practice counting by 10s or by 5s on this slide. Then you're going to build today's number. Now remember, today's number is 59. So down here I have it as 58 because that's what my kids are working on today. So if it's at 59, you're going to take and build it with the sticks and the units. So how many sticks am I going to need? 5, right? Because they count by 10s. 1, 2, 3, and you're just going to drag them across. 4, and then 5. So now I've got 5 sticks. And let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then I need to put out how many ones? 9 of them. So let's do it. 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, one thing I do want you to do is set these up like they're on a 10 frame every single day. How many are on the top of a 10 frame? 5. And how many are on the bottom? 5. So I'm going to put them like they're almost on a 10 frame. So there it is, 59. Then you're going to fill this in. How many 10s are there? 5. How many 1s are there? 9. And then you're going to do it in expanded form. So I've got 5 here. So it's 50 plus 9 equals 59. Good. Then we're going to go into our comparing math. Now, you may not have seen something like this before, but that's okay. All we're doing is trying to figure out which number is bigger. And we've got a lesson about this later if you've never messed with this. So we want the mouth or the sign to open up to the bigger number. So this one is the greater than and this is less than. Which one is bigger, 9 or 2? Well, first you need to build those numbers. So again, you're going to drag the units and build the numbers. Then you're going to decide which one's bigger, 9 or 2, and move the sign that completes the comparing chart, okay? So this is 9 is greater than 2, and this is today's setup. So now you've kind of got the rundown of the calendar time. I'm going to take you through the rest of the day as quickly as I can. I know it's kind of getting long, but stick with me so you know what to do. Okay, so we've got our writing. You're going to submit a picture of your writing every single day. We've got a math word wall, which is kind of like the words that we love. I'll put in words that we're studying in math. Here is the math lesson. That means you need to read it. Today there's extra math practice, and it's a quizzes game. I think y'all have played that with Mrs. Walters. Then every single day I've got 30 minutes of app time. So today is 30 minutes of Galaxy Education reading. Tomorrow it'll be Happy Numbers or Galaxy Education math. Now, this is the last piece I'm going to talk to you about this morning, and usually it's right up at the top, but right now for this purpose I've got it at the bottom. This is a morning Zoom. Every single morning from 8:05 to 8:20 I get on Zoom. Now, that time I usually work on a skill that we're working on. It is not mandatory. So you're going to see it every day, but usually I move it as soon as we're done so that we don't keep clicking into it. Now, when I say you can come into that, you're absolutely welcome. I will work on math skills or reading skills. We might work on power words one day. In general, it's just a really good time to see your friends, to see me, and we have a pretty good time, okay? So you're welcome to join my morning Zooms as well. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please have your mama or message me on Parent Square. You're still going to be doing Seesaw. You're still going to be doing the things that Mrs. Walters has set up and has taught you how to do. It's just in a different format, okay? I'll see you guys later. Bye.